Right guys, how's it going? Right, I'm just going to lay it down to start with. We're filming from a phone, so the sound's probably not going to be great. Obviously I'm self-isolating with the people around me, so they're going to help me film a little bit. Obviously Alfie's stuck at his house, but you know, stay home, stay safe. But I'm going to cut straight to it. What I'm going to do, this is my sort of idea that I've been thinking about. I'm going to draw what I think we should build, and then we're going to build it with the use of the dumpers. We've got a digger, I've got a whacker plate, I've got a mower. I don't even know why I've got a mower, but I don't know. It depends how long we're here for, you know, might have to cut the grass. We're going to build some stuff on a makeshift table. I've got all my tools, I've got a wheelbarrow, I've got, what else have we got? A hose pipe. There's going to be dogs about, there's probably going to be a kid running about in his pants, I don't know, but it's just a family orientated kind of build. So that's my thing, going to build one feature here. You know, I don't think there's no point in me building trails because one, we've got WOBURN, so I just want to build a one-off feature, show you guys sort of, you know, some of you guys how to do it. But yeah, should be alright. Right, yes, we're back. So we're going to do a drawing here. I think what we're going to do is start with a double roller. Keep it simple, keep it quite easy, quite straightforward. It gives it a bit of time to get used to using the digger and the dumper and that. So what we'll do, we'll draw it, then we'll build it. So I'm going to put one line there, come up here, slightly raised in the middle, and going like that. So it will look something like that. There's some sides, so we've got an up ramp here, slightly raised bit in the middle, and a downside there, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, let's put number one on that double roller. Let's get it on. double roller. Pleased with that. If you want to know the measurements, it's about 22 foot long, about 2.5 foot high on the highest bits, and about 1 foot high, 1.5 foot in the middle. So if you guys want to build one at home, then yeah, crack on with it. Thanks for watching again. If there's any comments or anything, smash them down in the bottom. I haven't got all my levers and stuff, so you know, I'm not going to say to subscribe, but if you want to, then I'll be more than grateful. But anyway, we're going to think of what we're going to build next. I think probably maybe a takeoff or something, but maybe do a slightly different sort of style to that. But I've got some good stuff coming up. But we're just going to start from smaller and just get a bit bigger and a bit more exciting. But I hope you've enjoyed yourselves, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Right, actually works pretty well considering you got these two chasing you, Buddy and Bear. Wave, there you go. Right, yeah, it's good. I think you could probably go off a little bit more, but alright, it's cool. I like it. It's good. Works good. Go on then. Off you pup.